Hey guys, so today I wanted to share with you my sunless tanning routine. With summer just around the corner, I thought this would be a really great time to share that with you. So just a few quick things really fast. These products are organic, so they do not contain any of the harmful chemicals that a lot of our other sunless tanning products have. And two, they'll keep you out of the sun so you won't develop any of that skin cancer that we want to stay away from. Three, they will turn your skin into a really great natural brown color, so you will definitely not look orange. And four, they're just super easy to apply, and I really love them. So let me go ahead and show them to you. If you're just starting out with a sunless tanning product, or if you're very pale or light skinned, then I highly recommend their white lotion. It's the Aloe and Coconut Sunless Tanning Enhancer by Golden Soul, and I'll have their website listed underneath this video if you want to look at their products. This will build a really great base tan for you if you're very fair, and this will definitely help you to get more of that natural glow, and then it's going to enable you to move up to the next product in this line, which is a little bit darker, and it is their brown lotion. And again, it's the Aloe and Coconut Sunless Tanning Enhancer. This one smells just like coconut, like the white one as well. Also comes with a pump, and immediately when you put this on, your skin's going to have that healthy bronzy glow. It has a lot of shimmer to it and just a really great brown, bronzy, natural look that will look really great on your skin. I also strongly advise applying this after you take a shower in the morning and not doing it at night and sleeping on it till the next morning, because if you put this on after the shower and you go through your whole day and then sleep during the night until the next morning, then this product is going to be the most effective, because it does take about 8 hours for you to reap the benefits of that. So if you feel like you're going to wear this around 8 hours or less, then I would not apply this product. Make sure you're going to have a full 24-hour time period till your next shower so that you can really get the full effect of this. But yeah, definitely it will give you a great skin color. Also, if you want your face to match the color of your neck or the rest of your skin tone on your body or other areas, then you're going to really want to try their facial bronzer. Now this one does not smell like coconut, but it smells like chocolate, and I just really love the smell of this one the most. You can put this on your face. I recommend putting it on a cleansed face, and you can definitely apply your makeup on over this, and it will not at all affect this product. It will still be well blended into your skin even with the makeup over it. All of these products too, I want to say, blend into your skin very well. And lastly, I use their Sunless Tanning Mist for areas that I cannot reach with my lotion. This comes in handy after I'm out of the shower and I apply my lotion. I'll take this and put it on the top part of my back, spray it like that on the areas that I cannot reach, and it totally blends well into my skin. And yeah, it gives you just that really great natural sun-kissed brown look. So I love these products by Golden Soul. You can go to goldensoulonline.com to check them out. And if you guys have any questions, let me know. I hope this was helpful to you, and I will see you next time. Bye.